A good tune. Lots of good tunes from the Allman Brothers.
Where? Jersey. How do you like it here?
Anywhere that's hot and got beautiful water is
I've been having a lot of trouble with my video camera trying to adjust proper aperture or exposure. It fluctuates some kind of way, so somebody needs to tell me how I can fix this. Again, here we're going, digging in YouTube, trying to get somebody to give me information other than them just trying to entertain me. Because I have to stop that ISO from moving and set itself, take it off of automatic. I think I fixed it myself.
Me and Donna made it to Destin, Florida. We took off, left the kids in Panama City Beach, and we took a ride to Destin, Florida, come down here to see what's going on. The water's really warmer, and it's a pretty emerald green. I don't know. Pretty, and they got lifeguards out. Thank you.
Look, I'm like, well.
That's where we're going, mate. If the wave leave, you just know what I'm saying? That's probably.
Oh, okay. Dang.
Oh,